As the winter season approaches, we all want to stay warm and cozy without breaking the bank. That's why today, we're bringing you an extended list of 15 frugal tips to ensure you stay comfortably warm throughout the winter months while keeping your energy bills in check. Tipwear up. Let's start with the basics. Layer your clothing to trap heat effectively. Consider thermal underwear, sweaters, and cozy socks to keep your body warm, even indoors. Tip 2 draft stoppers. Inspect your home for drafts around windows and doors. Invest in draft stoppers or weather stripping to seal gaps and prevent cold air from infiltrating your living spaces. Tips 3 Ts shows Nango. For rooms with bare floors, add heavy blankets or rugs. This extra layer of insulation not only keeps your feet warm, but also helps retain heat within the room. Siri for reversible ceiling fans. If you have ceiling fans, reverse their direction. This will push warm air that naturally rises downward, helping to circulate it throughout the room. DIY insulated curtains. Upgrade your curtains by adding a thermal lining. This DIY project can significantly improve insulation and prevent heat loss through your windows. Seams bubble wrap windows. An economical way to insulate windows is by applying bubble wrap. It allows natural light to enter while serving as an effective barrier against the cold. Salt water bottle heat. Warm up your bed by filling a hot water bottle and placing it between your sheets or under your blankets. It's a simple yet effective way to enjoy a heated sleep. Utilize the oven. Cooking and baking during the winter not only provides delicious meals, but also warms your home naturally. Take advantage of the oven's heat to keep your living space cozy. Warm beverage buffet. Stock up on a variety of hot beverages like tea, coffee, and cocoa. Sipping on these warm drinks will help you stay toasty from the inside out. DIY door draft snake. Craft a DIY door draft snake by filling a long sock with rice or beans. Place it at the base of doors to block drafts from sneaking in. Reverse the curtains during daylight hours. Keep your curtains open to let the sun's warmth naturally heat your home. Close them at night to trap the warmth inside. Tip 12. Bubble wrap radiators. Enhance the efficiency of your radiators by placing bubble wrap behind them. This will reflect heat into the room instead of letting it escape through the walls. Say your bedding. Create a warm and inviting bed by layering your bedding with extra blankets and quilts. This not only looks cozy, but also provides added warmth during cold nights. Warm up with exercise. Stay active indoors during the winter months. Physical activity generates body heat and helps keep you warm while also boosting your mood. Space heater zones. If you have space heaters, use them strategically to heat specific areas you spend the most time in. This allows you to lower the thermostat overall and reduce energy consumption. By incorporating these extended frugal tips into your winter routine, you can ensure a warm and comfortable season without the burden of high heating costs. Stay snug, save money, and make the most of this chilly time of year.